My name is Lisa Chandler, and I am an Amazon Dedicated Cloud Engineering Manager for the AWS Intelligence team. I've been with AWS for a little over 5 years. I was a government contractor for 24 years. In my government career, AWS was starting to come into that environment, and I just thought the technology was so amazing. And I thought, how amazing would it be if I could be on the cutting edge side of it as opposed to the consumer side. So I reached out to a friend that I knew that had recently gone from the government space into AWS, like, hey, how can I get in on this? And what he said to me was, it's what we did on steroids. So that initially really drew me in, because one thing that I really wanted was to be able to do more. I would absolutely recommend this environment to anyone that loves fast-paced, anyone that loves to learn. Just naturally, you always want to know how things work. And I think the biggest selling point for AWS is bring your ideas. Put time in your calendar to think big, and you actually have an opportunity to do that. My personal journey over the last 5 years, it has been something that I never would have expected. I have really started to look at life in general in terms of think big. I would always look at in the brochure and say, I really want to do that, but I wouldn't try it once I got there. But I have become so attuned to taking a risk and it working well. Or if I take a risk and it doesn't go so well, I see that it's not the end of the world. And that has carried over into my personal life as well. And I have found that life has been more enjoyable because I have started taking more risks and seeing the benefit of it.